Hello our friends in our art community. Thank you very much for your support. In the past few years, we have grown larger and larger. We have received our first
Silver Play button, which is 100,000 subscriptions.
and thank you very much. We are going to share this, our honor. I hope you guys are going to continue supporting us and are looking forward to our next button. Open it, Lily. Open here. Carefully.
This way?
Mm-hmm. Okay, on this side.
Okay.
Careful. Okay. Only cut the tape.
Okay.
Careful. That's good. Let's take a look. On here,
So much tape.
yep, because it's important and heavy. Ta-ta! Are you ready? Okay, open. Whoa! Look at that. Yay! It has a letter. Ooh! Wow! Look at the paper. Did you hear that? Whoa! From the CEO of YouTube. Thank you, Susan. Okay, now here's the real thing.
I shall take it out.
Yep. It's a button.
It's not a button.
It looks
You
like
can't take it
it's
out.
the YouTube button.
Exactly.
Oh, interesting. The whole thing is a play. Oh, we can hang it. And yeah, you can hang it in your room. What does it say over here? What does it say?
Presented to Yong Chen for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Cool. This is very wonderful.
A great mirror.
Yeah, that's good. It's a great mirror. Oh, I'm getting older now. Okay, cool. By the way, our community already opened a Discord website. We're expecting a lot more activities that also involve the whole art community of enjoying art. Stay tuned.
Bye.
Thank you.